Asparagus is one of the first vegetables of spring, and as we enter into its peak season, you might be searching for some new ways to incorporate it into your meals. I'm Caitlin Farron, a registered dietitian with Fairway, and I have 3 delicious recipes that incorporate this nutritional powerhouse. First, a side dish for any occasion, an asparagus salad, a bright mix of fresh asparagus, vine-ripe tomatoes, corn, and potatoes. An asparagus soup that is creamy and refreshing. And a Fairway favorite, flank steak pinwheels. USDA choice flank steak that's been butterflied and rolled with asparagus, bell peppers, Parmesan cheese, and grilled to perfection. Find these delicious spring recipes and more at fairway.com.